Hello everyone, it's Justin here at MarineMax. We're here in Wakefield, Rhode Island, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2026 17 Montauk. As you saw in the pictures, it is a gel coat abaco blue color. It's got great options. We're going to talk about a few features here that would be wonderful to operate whether you're in Long Island Sound, you're here in the pond, or you're going up and down the Narragansett Bay. So let's talk about the first option that was equipped with. It's got a Mercury 115 horsepower engine. Instead of the standard 90, it is upgraded to the 115, giving you plenty of thrust and horsepower to move, tow, or do things as you wish on the water. It does have the seat package, so you have the backrest with the seat. The backrest conveniently comes out, and you can turn these and stow it, and you have 4 rod holders if you decide you want to be fishing. If you're going to be out in the water relaxing with family and friends, it's beautiful. You can slide that right back in and sit down and relax underway. While I got my hand here, let's talk about these nice high rails. So you have a complete rail package on this boat. These are nice rails, so you got the low and the high rail. So it's nice to grab onto or to lean up against if we are fishing out on the water. Moving forward to the helm seat, you can see that the helm seat is in the leaning post position. A nice easy lift, and you can lounge. You can sit while operating the boat, or the way I like to operate the Montauk is using it as a leaning post where you can lean up against while navigating the boat. As we're talking about navigation, take a look at this. This has a wonderful Simrad screen with a Simrad VHF integrated, along with a JL audio system and 4 speakers integrated into the multifunction device Simrad. As we move forward, you'll notice port and starboard side, it does have the teak package, so it has the teak swim platform and the 2 teak pieces here that you can access the boat from the dock on either side. Up here on the bow, we've got this, again, as the seating package, you have the bow seat. What's great about these new cushions is they have a seam in the middle, so if we're not using the boat, we can conveniently fold these up and stow them either under the helm or between the helm and the helm seat and steering wheel, and a nice quick easy fold and a few snaps, and you have a beautiful lounge. You can see the rail package goes all the way around the front. Come on down, visit us at, what is it? Come on and visit us at 362 Pond Street, Wakefield, Rhode Island. Check out this boat and all the other Montauks we have available. I look forward to talking with you. Take care.